Hi and welcome. Okay, so the first thing you'll do for the Mary Poppins method is list out some activities that you usually do. So I already have one example written the whole way across, but first we'll start with just activities. So some other activities you might have are walk the dogs, clean the floor, prepare a report, go to the gym, grocery shop, and what's another really fun one? My spelling might not be perfect. Okay, the next thing you'll do is identify what the primary purpose is for the activity. Why are you actually doing it? Well, you're walking the dogs because you love their companionship. Why are you cleaning the floor? Why are you preparing the report? The gym? Grocery shopping? Samesies. Nutrition is just as important as moving around. Work with colleagues on project. After you do that, initially you should already feel a little bit of a shift from the task being dreary to it being something of value to you because you've reminded yourself why the heck you're doing it. The next thing you'll do is add sparkles. So how can you word it so that it really stands out? So walking the dogs could be got it? And you do the whole thing going down. Then, if there was a book about it or a movie, what would be the short word or phrase? Short word. What would be the short phrase? I don't think I can edit these. Well, what would be the short phrase to really get you jazzed up? Got it? So these will be specific to you and what your buttons are, but hopefully you can follow along and find ways to make this work for you. If you have any questions or you get stuck anywhere, send me a message.